Okay, next will be the paper feeding of the top paper adjustment. And first we fold one paper from the center. Yeah, like this.
居中，现在居中线。
Make the paper, place the paper in the middle of this board, and normally we'll make a mark by knife or something else. Yeah, so that next time we can easily find the position.
那对着你拍不拍的？你拍一点，
可以拍一下。
随便拍一下。
Yeah, next is to stack the top paper. Okay, now the top paper stack is finished, and now we lift the top paper. 可以。然后
这个要
before we lift this top paper, we need to switch this mode from auto to manual. Then we can inch.
这个要一直按着的。
And we press this button, keep pressing this button, and it will go up.
向下是按住是会有自动，上升必须要按住。
And now it's lifting, and when you need to lift down, and you press this one, and it will goes down automatically.
我们看快碰到的时候就要把它停掉。麻烦你跟他解释一下。
And when the paper when the paper nearly touches the feeder, and we'll stop this one and adjust it manually by the switch. Okay, and you can see there's a button there. We'll use this button to make slight adjustment for the feeder.
差不多是，然后用这个进行。
And after it's almost okay, and
调节。
we use this one to make the final fine tune.
然后这个裁角是裁到6到7个毫。
And normally this iron should press about 6 to 7 millimeter, and then it will be okay. And to this, the feeder adjustment is finished. And this is a pre-stacker, since the space is limited. We didn't show here, and it's same like other machines pre-stacker function. And also after the adjustment of the feeder, and this button should be switched from manual to auto, so it will automatically lift up. Okay, and that's all for the feeder section adjustment.